FL Studio is one of the most popular DAWs for music production. But if you're just getting started, you may not want to pay for professional software. The good news is that there are several completely free alternatives that offer powerful tools for creating beats, recording vocals, and producing music. In this video, we'll look at the 3 best free alternatives to FL Studio and help you decide which one is right for you. Let's get started. 1. LMMS. If you're looking for something that feels similar to FL Studio, LMMS is probably the best place to start. It includes a piano roll, beat editor, automation, virtual instruments, synthesizers, sample editing, and support for many plugins. It's available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, making it one of the most popular free DAWs for beginners and electronic music producers. 2. Cakewalk by BandLab. For Windows users, Cakewalk is one of the most complete free DAWs available. It offers unlimited audio and MIDI tracks, professional mixing tools, virtual instruments, effects, and advanced recording features. Many people consider it powerful enough for professional music production, even though it's completely free. 3. Waveform Free is another excellent choice. It works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and includes multi-track recording, MIDI editing, automation, plugin support, and a modern interface. It's a great option if you want a complete production environment without paying for expensive software. Which one wins? If you want something that feels closest to FL Studio, go with LMMS. If you're a Windows user looking for the most professional free DAW, Cakewalk is probably the best choice. And if you want a cross-platform solution that works on almost any computer, Waveform Free is an excellent option. The best part is that all 3 programs are completely free, so you can try each one and decide which workflow you like the most. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments which DAW you're using.